Are you ready to unlock the full potential of AI in your business? Join us at AICon in Chicago, hosted by Bill Walsh, from June 23rd to 25th. This premier event is where business leaders come together to learn, innovate, and grow. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries and driving unprecedented growth. You'll discover how to leverage this power to increase your wealth and stay ahead of the competition. Featuring an extraordinary lineup of industry experts and visionary speakers, AICon delivers strategies and insights you can implement in your business immediately. From practical workshops to hands-on sessions, you'll gain actionable knowledge and tools to transform your operations and boost your bottom line. Network with like-minded professionals, share ideas, and forge valuable connections that will propel your business forward. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to learn, grow, and succeed. Pre-order your tickets now and join us at AICon in Chicago. Text UWC to 26786 to get exclusive access to special pricing tickets.